1. Hook. Are you unknowingly throwing money at AWS? One service is quietly burning your budget, and you might not even realize it. Stick around, and I'll show you how to stop the leak. 3. The simple explanation: storage size, requests, and data transfer. It's not just about how much space you use. If you're not monitoring your usage, it can spiral out of control. Here's how it breaks down. Storage costs: charges are per gigabyte stored. Prices start at around $0.023 per gigabyte for the first 50 terabytes, but that can increase based on the storage class. Requests: each put, get, and delete request costs money. For example, GET requests can cost $0.0004 per 1,000 requests. Data transfer: moving data out of S3 can add up quickly. The first GB is free, but after that, it's around 9 cents per gigabyte. Understanding these components is crucial. If you don't keep track, your monthly AWS bill can surprise you. 4. Real-world example: let's consider a startup, TechTide, that uses S3 for storing user-uploaded files. They started with a small project, expecting costs to be minimal. Initially, they stored 1 terabyte of data, with only 5,000 GET requests per day. Storage cost: $0.023 per gigabyte means $23 for the month. Request cost: 5,000 requests daily translates to 150,000 requests monthly. At $0.0004 per 1,000 requests, that's about $60. Total monthly bill: $83, which seemed manageable. But as their user base grew, they started storing 10 terabytes and 50,000 daily requests. Storage cost: $230 for 10 terabytes. Request cost: 1,500,000 requests monthly costs $600. Total monthly bill: $830, nearly 10x their original estimate. They hadn't anticipated the rapid growth and didn't monitor their usage closely. The shock led them to rethink their storage strategy. 5. What to do instead? Now, let's get practical. Here's a framework for managing S3 costs effectively. Step 1. Evaluate your storage needs. Assess how much data you need to store. Use the AWS pricing calculator for estimates. Identify files that can be archived or deleted. Step 2. Choose the right storage class. Use standard for frequently accessed files. Consider infrequent access or Glacier for rarely accessed data. These options can be significantly cheaper. Step 3. Monitor your usage. Set up AWS budgets to track costs. Aim to set alerts at 80% of your budget threshold. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor request rates and storage usage. Step 4. Optimize request costs. Batch your uploads and downloads. Instead of multiple small requests, consolidate them to save on request fees. Use Amazon CloudFront for caching frequently accessed files, reducing S3 GET requests. Step 5. Regular review. Conduct monthly cost audits. Focus on your storage, request rates, and data transfer. Adjust strategies as your application scales. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common mistakes startups make with S3, and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Ignoring storage classes. Fix. Always choose the right storage class based on access frequency. Regularly review your storage to transition to cheaper classes when possible. Mistake 2. Not monitoring usage. Fix. Set up alerts and budgets in AWS to keep your spending in check. Use dashboards for real-time monitoring. Mistake 3. Overlooking request costs. Fix. Implement batching for requests. Use tools like AWS SDKs to automate this process. Mistake 4. Data transfer costs. Fix. Use CloudFront. This CDN reduces costs by caching popular content, minimizing data transfer from S3. Mistake 5. No cost audits. Fix. Schedule regular reviews of your AWS bills. Identify any unexpected spikes and adjust accordingly. 7. Quick checklist before you wrap up. Here's a quick checklist to ensure you're on top of your S3 costs. Evaluate current storage needs. Choose appropriate storage classes. Set up AWS budgets and CloudWatch alerts. Optimize request handling. Conduct monthly cost audits. 8. Summary plus CTAS3 can be a money pit if you're not careful. By understanding the costs, adjusting your storage practices, and monitoring usage, you can keep your expenses in check. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below sharing your own AWS experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech insights. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost.